Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're just gonna say we're back, and we're gonna have a very cool week of answering some comments that have come in over the break, and hopefully in the next few days, gonna have a very cool announcement, have a meeting tomorrow, very excited, and also want to give you guys an update. I am blown away by the support, the ideas, the thoughts. I just really can't wrap my head around it. So what I did is, over just a few days ago, I went and I had been downloading them, and all of this package right here is I was true to the concept of containing the micro videos. So what we'll do is we'll still be doing our micro videos. Then at the end of that, we'll package it. I'll do a thumbnail. I'll put it out. So right now, let's see. This video that's been out 3 days, this is a unbelievably top performing video. And YouTube does a very interesting thing now where it ranks the last 10 videos and how they compare with the last 10 after 3 days. Excuse me. 3 days and 21 hours. And what typically happens is the tutorial videos perform a little less, perform not as good. So kind of the updates and things I want you guys to work on, or how I think those do well. But this tutorial is doing even better than one of those. Motivation, however you want to think about it. So this is 50 views above that. Average view time of 3 minutes and 11 seconds. My typical video is 2 minutes. So not only do I love seeing the growth in these things, but what I really want to go to is say thank you to you guys, because these are the things, all the success that I have on this channel is from the feedback that you guys have given me. All I've done is follow the breadcrumbs that you guys have shared with me, and the things that you would watch, what you'd want to see, how you want to see them. So we'll be true to the roots of continuing micro videos. And this week we're actually going to be doing some comment questions, some really good ones, and then hopefully maybe in a week I've ironed out some details and we'll have some news. But super excited for this new year. Last year, ups and downs, some goods and some bads. I think it was been an interesting year for everybody. But yeah, just rambled on enough. I cannot tell this community enough. Thank you very much. Extremely humbled. I think if you see over on Free Code Camp, I've been named a top contributor for 2020. Was completely humbled by that, because a lot of you came from there. So thank you guys for that. Thank you for watching all of those videos. And I think there's an update coming from some things over there as well. So lots of new things. So just want to tell you guys thank you. Make sure you're watching all the way until the end, because I bet there's some videos you haven't seen. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned till the end. And if you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, notification bell. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests. Look, this is y'all's channel. Click over or down below, join the Discord, whatever you need to do so you're not alone in this. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here, or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.